Hello students, you are welcome to my online class. In today's class, we are going to discuss the important question of triumph of, triumph of surgery. So let's start. What kind of luxuries did Mrs. Humphrey provide to Tricky? As we know, in the story, Mrs. Humphrey was very rich and she loved Tricky very much. So she provided all type of comfortable things, that is luxurious thing, to Tricky. For example, we see there is a lot of milk, things which is energy giving. Okay, things to eat, biscuit, cakes, ice cream. These are the things which is provided to Tricky. Okay, besides this, there is a lot of things which make Tricky so comfortable, as cushions, ring balls, and etc. So in this way we can say this type of luxuries was provided by Mrs. Humphrey to Tricky. Okay, second question is, was Tricky happy at the surgery? Why? You have to write simply, yes, Tricky was very happy at the surgery because he got the natural surrounding of the dog. Okay, it is contrast. The surrounding is contrasted to his rich lady mistress. Here he got the treatment in a very natural way. He just got a friend and understand what is playing in real sense. In the start, although he was not seeming comfortable at the surgery, but after 3 days he took interest and gradually he just able to fight for his share in his mill and do the hunting of hen as shown in the story. So in this way, these are enough proof. These two proof is enough to say this Tricky was very happy at the surgery. Okay. Next question: how do you know Mrs. Humphrey was a rich woman? How do you know Mrs. Humphrey was a rich woman? Mrs. Humphrey was an important character in the story. She was enough rich. As we see, there were very much there were large number of servants in the house of Mrs. Humphrey. For Tricky, there were so much servant who always ready to serve him. Okay, the description of car also reflect that Mrs. Humphrey was a rich woman. In later on the latter part of the story, we find that Mrs. Humphrey started to give the things like eggs, brandy, wine to the surgery. These all instances prove that Mrs. Humphrey was a rich woman. Understood? Next question: why did not Mrs. Humphrey follow the advice of the narrator? Mrs. Humphrey was that type of lady who loved her dog very much. She could not refuse the things which were lovable to Tricky. So he just she just thought that it was not necessary to avoid all things. This is only for the loving and pampering nature of Mrs. Humphrey for the dog Tricky. She refused the advice of the narrator. Whatever Mrs. Humphrey, sorry, The narrator, who is also a surgeon, he just indicated not to give him those things which is harmful for him. Whatever the condition the dog got, that is of overfeeding. Okay. Next, what was the result of Tricky's excessive eating? Due to the excessive eating, the result was Tricky fall ill. Into his body only there were bloated sauces. His appearance, the dog appearance, was quite shocking. And whatever the this is only the result of his excessive eating. Okay. Next and last question. Why did the narrator want Tricky to be hospitalized? The narrator wanted Tricky to be hospitalized because by analyzing the condition of the dog Tricky, he understood very well why Tricky got this position. This critical condition happened due to the overfeeding and extra care of the dog. Okay, so he understood very well. He understood very well that in the scenario of his home, Tricky were Tricky was not got that type of surroundings which is needed. Okay, because narrator want Tricky to treat in a very natural way. Okay, which is only possible at the surgery. Hence, he decided or he wanted Tricky to be hospitalized. Although he knew the nature of Mrs. Pumphrey very well, but he refused to do so. Okay, I think you understand all the answer. If you have any problem regarding this, you just ask me. Beside this, you have to see your NCERT textbook and just try to solve it by your own. For any doubt, you are free to ask from various. Okay, thank you.